Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions and become a member to support our work directly. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. And as always, enjoy the video. On March 19, 2019, undercover officers with the Houston Police Department watched as an alleged drug deal went down across the street. Uniformed officers were dispatched to the scene and quickly got down to business.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Put your hands up. Come over here. Put your hands behind your back.
6B30.
Hell no.
That's clear, only five.
Not fucking true, bro.
Huh?
What's
Chill out. What's your name?
Christopher Denton.
All right. You got anything on you, bud?
I swear to God I don't.
Okay. Mind if I check?
Yeah, you can check me, bro.
All right, man. I can check. Cool. Appreciate you. What you doing up here, bud?
I've been up here all day at my sister-in-law's house.
Where your sister live over there?
22B31.
Oh, on Rush Creek, 633?
22B31.
Yeah, right there?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I guess our consumer left for location in a 2006 Hyundai Sonata, teal in color, paper tag.
You got ID on you?
Yes,
sir. Now, turn around. Spread your feet. What you been arrested for, Denton?
I've been arrested for unlawful carry weapons.
Yeah? Take your hood off, alright? I'm gonna pull your fucking hair. Hold on. There you go. How old are you?
19.
19? You got a bond or parole or anything like that? What you got a bond for that pistol case or another case?
They had, it was a misdemeanor, but I was up here, they had,
These are, you have a car?
yes, sir.
Where's your car at?
My dad,
It's in the back? Where?
a little sensitive.
Oh, it's over here? Alright, come over here and I'll talk to you real quick. Who are these cats you hanging out with? Why are they getting all crazy with these officers?
I don't know, I swear I just came out here.
Okay, you stay cool with me, I'm gonna stay cool with you, right?
I
That's
know,
all we gotta do, right? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hell no, bro, y'all can't put that on me like that. Y'all can't.
Chris, right?
Yes, sir. Y'all can't put that on me like that.
Put what on you?
That ain't mine. I just came out here. Like,
Just have a seat. Just have a seat, bud. I'm gonna talk to you. I'm not gonna shut the door and shut you out. I'm gonna talk to you. But for right now, we're just gonna handle what we got right now, okay?
Thanks, sir.
Just chill out. All right, man. Hey, look. Hey, you're cool, man. Just chill. Okay?
Yes, sir. I just got out here.
Okay.
Ain't none of that shit mine.
None of it's yours.
Ain't
But you're on bond for what again?
unlawful carry with.
Okay. When's your court date on that? Hey, you cool?
Young good.
Hey, man. I remember you. I thought you said you're gonna run next time you saw police.
I said I would have ran.
Oh, run across the freeway. You all right, man? You bonded out pretty quick out of that case, huh? You make that song with us in it yet? You working on it? I've been looking, man. I don't see nothing yet. All right, sit tight, y'all.
Alright, you go ahead, step out.
6323, you can put me on that as well.
Alright. Hey, hold on, Denton. I'm gonna come talk to you. Hold on. Hold on, man.
I got you, dude.
Yeah, Jay. Gonna run next time? Give me one out or what, man? Come on. You said gonna run across the freeway. Appreciate you cooperating, man. Y'all gonna do this time? Well, the last time you had weed on you. Oh, okay. See you later. Oh, okay. What's up, man?
Man, like, sir, I was like, literally, bro, I just came out here, like, no bullshit, bro. Like, on everything.
Well, I know, and you know what you were doing
I ain't
with this little coffee cup. Hey, you don't answer nothing. I know what you were doing. You know what you were doing, bro.
See,
It's
sir.
just a little weed, right? I get it, but
No, sir. See,
you y'all gonna be straight with me, man. I'm not gonna talk to you.
I'm being real, bro. That's why I'm like, bro, every time I love, bro, this is not mine. Y'all ain't get shit off me, bro.
Okay.
Nothing at all, bro. That's what I'm saying. I ain't missed no court days.
Okay. I'm not saying you missed the court date. I'm saying don't miss one. I was asking if you did. When is your court date again?
It's in April 23rd or something.
For the pistol case?
Yes, sir. Bro,
Alright.
Bro, on everything I love, bro. Y'all can't do me like this, bro.
Okay.
Like,
I'm not doing you like anything.
man,
I want you to know that.
Take me to jail for like, bro, like, on everything I love. Y'all ain't getting nothing off me. I had just literally pulled up here, like, literally
Okay.
pulled up here.
Alright. Where'd you pull up in, or did you just walk up here?
Nah, I told
You just
got my
walked,
car
right?
key. I got my gal card. Like,
Yeah, but where's your car at?
in the back, sir.
Okay. You want us to get your car for you?
No, sir, bro.
No?
Like,
Okay.
Like, you can get it, bro, but don't tell it. Like, you can search
I'm not
everything, bro. I ain't got nothing on me. Like, I ain't got shit. Like, I put it on right.
What kind of car you got?
A blue Hyundai.
A blue Hyundai? Okay, hold on, man.
Nah, don't shut the door on me, bro.
I'll roll down the window. I need to make some phone calls, man. I don't even know if you're going to jail yet. I gotta make some phone calls.
Because I just heard you tell this man just told me I'm under investigation. Like, sir, I'm out on bond. I can't do this, bro. Like, I swear to God, I ain't have
All right, man.
shit on me.
Where's your brother at?
Bro,
Where's your brother at? Is he in jail too? You got a brother, right?
Sir, you
Yeah.
asking me quit, sir. Come on, bro. I'm being corroborated. You asking
me too.
questions that you already know.
I was asking, where's your brother at?
He in jail, bro.
I didn't know he was still in jail. That's a valid question. All right, I need to make some phone calls, man.
Nah, like, bro, I know once you shut the door, then it's out of, like...
Well, no, I mean, I could, you know, I don't want to interrupt you, but I need to make phone calls real quick, all right?
Sir, can I talk to him?
You want to talk to him? If he'll talk to you, that's fine. I don't know if he will, but he'll talk to you.
What do you want to talk about?
I'm being so cooperated that I can. I'm being all cooperated.
About what?
This whole situation, like, what I'm under investigation for. I just heard you say I'm under investigation.
Okay, well, officers saw you selling drugs.
No, sir.
Well, I understand you're going to say no because that's the only choice you got to do. But I'm letting you know that
Hey, look, sir, that's what I'm saying. Like, I know this. This how they got my brother. I know this, bro. I ain't got no money in my pocket, none at all.
Okay.
So how was I'm selling drugs? Like, I'm telling you, I just got out here, period. Like, I just pulled up, sir.
Oh, well, I have officers that say that you didn't just pull up, that you've been out here for a little bit.
No, sir, like, no, at all. When I pulled up, went to my sister's house, came back out here, stood right here in this same spot, stood right there. I swear to God, like, I ain't got nothing to lie for, sir. Nothing to lie for.
Okay.
At all.
I'm thinking that Kiaje was the money holder because he had a fat stack of cash in his pocket.
You know, you don't want to put both those shits together.
Yeah.
Yeah, that dude is talking shit last time we got him from POM. Huge shit talker. He said his...
He was about to light up until I looked at him.
Yeah. He's gonna put me and Brown in a rap song.
Oh, that's the dude?
Yeah, that's the guy.
You stop my people.
Dude, I was on the phone, man. Get out real quick. Let me double check your handcuffs. Make sure you tighten up on you.
Yeah, okay.
Turn around, face bar. Come on, man.
Come on, sir. I swear to God, there was none of my shit, bro. Y'all ain't get nothing off me, sir. On my mama, that ain't none of my shit, dog. At all. Man, this some fucked up ass shit, bro.
Turn around for me. Kick your little sandals off. Okay. Lean against the car, pick up 1 foot at a time. Next one. Alright, have a seat, bud.
You can unloosen them some, bro.
Dude, they're loose, bro.
Bro,
Put the whole finger in there.
no, they tight, bro.
Look.
Like, what am I going to jail for, bro?
Possession of marijuana. Have a seat.
I ain't have shit on
Bro,
me,
I'm not gonna have it. Dude,
Can I put my slipper
slip them back on and have a seat. I ain't doing this.
Oh, bro, what the fuck? Damn, dog, I swear to God, this whole thing is my shit, bro. On everything I fucking love, bro.
Hey, what do we do about his car? He says it's parked over there in that parking lot.
Damn, bro, what the fuck, bro? Y'all
Hey, he need to chill the fuck out, man. Is this, well, there's no house key on here, it's just,
Oh,
he must have left it in somebody's house, I guess.
Okay.
That's my house key. I got a call saying y'all taking my little brother to jail.
Yeah, he's going for POM, okay? He's out on bond. Okay, he's got to quit messing with the fucking weed.
I know.
It's all nothing but bad news for him. He's out on 3 different bonds. Okay, I mean, it ain't nothing personal. It is what it is. It's a misdemeanor case, right? And then he don't need to be hanging up here dealing with that mess.
Many a time, bro.
So let me ask him about your key real quick. Hey, where's the house key? There's no house key.
Man, I took it, bro.
Huh?
It's in my pocket, so can I please talk to
It's in your pocket? I remember a key being in your pocket. Which pocket?
Bro, can I talk to my brother before I leave? Please, bro.
Where's your key at?
It might be in the car, bro. I don't even know, bro.
Bring it back for me.
Man, y'all know
Chris, man, look, I'll talk to you like a fucking man, dude. I will.
You're not doing shit like a man, though, bro. You taking me to jail for some you judging the book by.
Hey, do you want him to have your car keys in your phone?
Yeah, can I talk to him? Please,
Hold on. He said it might be in the car.
You gonna give me the phone too?
Yeah, he said he wanted you to have all that.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Y'all can maybe talk some sense into him when he gets out. I mean, I know we can't monitor anyone 24/7 either, but ain't nothing personal, ain't nothing like that. When you want to start kicking and screaming and calling us crazy names and this and that, I'm like, dude, I mean, if you messed up, you messed up. It kind of is what it is. You know, we're not out here randomly doing this. So.
I understand, because I used to be the same way, but...
Yeah, he'll grow out of it maybe eventually. I think he said his brother Charles is in jail, I guess, too.
my other brother. Yeah,
really?
Both of them my little brothers. So.
Really? All right. Well, like I said, he'll call y'all, and he'll get a bond. It's a misdemeanor POM.
Okay, thank you
right.
so much, sir. You have a good day.
Yep. All right, let's go.
Talk to his brother. Say something to him.
I mean, we'll roll down the window if you want. Hey.
Yeah.
Fam, bro.
Oh, you alright, bro.
Nigga, they ain't get shit off me, bro. They know who they got the weed off for. They bro, they about to put that nigga weed on me too, bro. This like real life, bro. They ain't get shit out my pocket. Fuck the bun, bro. I'm already on bun for some dumb shit, bro. They ain't get shit on me, bro.
All you gotta do is you gotta get a lawyer. You gonna be just like that. That's the only way you can do it, bro. We in their world. You can't do nothing.
Bro, they ain't get shit off me, bro. They know who they got the weed off of, bro. They talking about they seen me selling weed, bro. I ain't got no money in my fucking pocket, bro.
We can't win, though,
I ain't got no money in my pocket.
We ain't gonna win, though.
What the fuck I sold? I ain't got no money in my pocket.
Chris, you good?
What the fuck I sold, bro?
We ain't gonna win against them, bro.
Appreciate y'all.
Well, I'm out the way now, because you ain't gonna never win, bro. You gonna never win. I got you, though. No need to. All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah. I gave your property to your brother and let you talk to your family. Oh, God, someone appreciative of favors.
Alright. Bro, y'all know who y'all got the fucking weed off of, bro.
Yeah, put the weed in that trunk thing back there, so we're good.
Hutchinson, yeah, I'm taking that bitch ass to court. Clean up all that bitch ass hot. Hold on. Yeah, I already know y'all a whole ass gang. Nigga, know all this shit.
Hey, what's your address?
Worry about what.
19-year-old Christopher Denton was arrested on one misdemeanor count of possession of marijuana. Ultimately, all charges were dismissed. Chris would go on to be convicted of carrying a handgun in a motor vehicle and is currently fighting a felony theft charge for allegedly stealing a trailer.
At the 59 exit.
Bodycam still on.
Hopefully it's on, but I know you ain't getting no weed off me.
Go on, step out.
When I asked for that court, nah, can I get his number? Can you write it down?
Come on out.
You write his badge number? He's trying to give me his stuff.
He's what?
He's trying to give me his name and his badge number, son. Come on.
He already gave you.
No, he didn't. He trying to give it. Come on. You gonna give it to me? Write it down. 268. All right. See, y'all don't want to do that. Y'all know you're fucked up. That's what I'm saying. Y'all
Okay.
Well,
then why are you worried about?
If I'm asking you for your name and your badge number,
He gave it to you. He gave it to you.
Why you won't write it down though?
Because we don't have to.
If I'm asking for it, cause you know you did some faux ass shit.
Oh yeah.
If I'm asking for your shit, why you don't want to write it down?
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all know y'all did some fucked up shit. Y'all cricket in a motherfucker. I know it. I already know it. I know y'all look at it. They try to throw a new person at me because I asked for them at my other court in the state, want to see them.
Yep.
So they try seeing y'all and don't know they didn't put y'all in the hole, so I'm going to ask for y'all at court too.
Okay.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.